Hello
Hello
guys,
guys,
welcome
welcome
back to
back to
our
my
channel.
channel.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is T Gloria. I just came back from night duty. I'm very tired, but the children are in the mood of Easter, so I'm going to try to bake a very easy to make, quick Easter cake. We are not chefs, we are just cook. So manage whatever we're going to bake. I'm going to just show you how to make, very easy to make. I'm going to be showing the children. They're going to be the one doing most of the baking. So just enjoy the video, okay? Thank you. So this is everything we're going to be using. So what do we have here?
Eggs.
3 eggs. You need your bowl. I'm going to be using this as a measuring bowl, my measurement cup. I think you can see it. This is what I'm going to be using to measure some of the things. I've got my pan, just like bread pan. I'm going to be using it for the cake. And this is the easy, fast cake I'm going to be making. See, it is very easy, just 3 steps. And the steps are written behind it. This is all you need. 900 means vegetable oil, which is about 6 spoons. Then 180 mils of water, 3 medium free range eggs, 2 Betty, I don't have that one, vanilla buttercream styling icing, I don't have that one, strawberry jam, then well greased cake pan, I have my pan, regular muffin trays. These are the steps. So that is it. It's very easy, and I'm going to be using my brush. I'm going to be using this butter just to line the tray. I'm going to be using this sunflower oil. So we're going to read the instruction. I said mix it. You need only 3 steps to cake heaven. Mix the egg, oil, water, and cake. Mix gently together and whisk by hand or electric mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and creamy. Yes, I have my whisker. I'm going to show you. This is the whisker I'm going to be using because I don't have the electric mixer yet. You know, I told you I'm not a cook. I'm not a chef. I'm just a cook. So this is what we cooks use. It's when you graduate to being a chef that you start using all those things. We're just going to be using what we have. So we've got our bowl here. I said mix the eggs. Destiny, do you want to break this egg?
Yeah.
Use the spoon. Gently break it. Open it and throw the... Hit it here. Oops. Throw the shell inside the sink. I will remove it. Break another one. That's okay. You open it. Yes, something. Yeah, that's very good. Rich, come out. Open your own. Rinse your hand. Wash your hand in the sink. Put the egg inside.
Press here.
Put it there. We're going to pick it up. Okay, so we've got our egg. They say oil. So how many mils of oil do we need? We need now 90 ml vegetable oil. So I've got my measuring cup here. I'm going to measure 90 mils of oil. Destiny, open it, please.
Yeah.
Just pour it. I'll tell you when to stop. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, just a little bit above, but it's fine. I've got my oil measured here. Rich, come and pour the oil into the bowl. Gently, please. Just pour everything. Thank you. That's okay. So the next thing we need, we need 180 mils of water. So I'm going to be using this as my measuring cup. I'm going to be putting, just open the tap for me.
Hot?
Some anyone, just no, not hot, ordinary one. Yes, that's fine. So that's my 180 mils of water. I'm going to be adding it. Vegetable oil, egg, water. I don't have the other ones. I've got vanilla flavor. I've got my vanilla flavor. I'm just going to be adding a little bit. Listen, open it. Okay.
It's okay.
That's fine. It has not been recording since. I don't know if I mixed the footage of where I was pouring the flour inside the oil and the water and the egg. I already mixed. Just whisk. Continue whisk. It's okay. It's almost ready for baking. You see?
Yeah.
It is smooth.
No.
No, don't worry.
No, we're supposed to.
So what's the next thing? The next thing is we're going to put butter into our tray so it doesn't get sticky after baking. It's just to line the tray. Some people have baking paper. I don't know what they call it, but I don't have. So we're just going to use our brush. Use it to brush the butter, and then we'll brush it into the tray. No, do it stripe by stripe. So do it stripe by stripe like this. Move your hand. I think I'm happy with my.
No, here.
That's fine, thank you. I think I'm happy with my pan now, and here is my mix. Who wants to, Destiny, pour it inside gently, please. Just pour it. Raise it up. Pour it into the pan. Yeah. Okay. Hold it. Hold it well. Just going to use this one to scoop. No, we don't want to waste any of the mix.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Come on, wash your hands.
Me or the good.
Just going to.
That's it. It's
So all
good.
the bubbles will go.
It's good.
So all the bubbles will go off. It doesn't have to be perfect anyway, but I'm going to preheat my oven to leave it please. 150 degrees to set the timer. And set the time for 30 minutes. Then I'll put
Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, that's it.
and wait for it to bake.